Hello friends! This video will be dedicated to, in my opinion, one of the most comfortable soldering irons I have ever seen. I mean this one. The model is E60W. It comes with a stand and a big manual. This soldering iron has multiple functions, but the main advantage of this device is that we can adjust the temperature here. The cable length is 140 centimeters and the length of the soldering iron is 25 centimeters. Let's turn it on. Here we have turn on button. And this is minus, this is plus. At the same time, this is the menu button. So the soldering iron is heating. And we see the temperature. We can adjust the temperature. Wait. And now it will decrease the temperature. So it's a bit slower than increase. Also we can increase. And it will do it faster. As to the menu, this is Celsius and Fahrenheit. Once again. Then heating temperature, we can adjust it. This is temperature correction function. And this is password. For example, it's our password. So now we have the password set and we can't adjust the temperature. To restore the factory settings, we should press minus and then turn on the device. And now we have the temperature which is adjusted by the factory. As to the device itself, the plastic quality is very good. Also the rubber has the high quality and it almost does not heat. As to the tip, you can purchase additionally copper tips, for example these ones, because these tips are interchangeable. You can see the link in the description of this video. Let's unscrew this part and look at the heater. So you can see that's the heater. Also you can see that the soldering iron is very lightweight. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that the temperature can be not only adjusted by pressing minus or plus, but it also can be set. So let's go to menu, minus, temperature, minus is enter, first digit, for example 2, minus is next, for example 9, and minus is next, for example 5. Let's wait. and the temperature is set. The advantages of this device. It's very high quality soldering iron, it's really adjustable and very stable. Besides temperature adjustment, it has also the temperature correction, Celsius Fahrenheit switch and password setting. As to the disadvantages, I really can't say anything about them. That's all for this review. Thanks for watching. Bye.